Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here with Crypto Gains. First of all, we're beginning with this analyst's opinion that Bitcoin bull market has months to go and will not stop at 100,000. Actually, based on the stock to flow model, this particular analyst believes that we're on track and we're likely to hit an average price of 288,000 for an all-time high in Bitcoin. So let's take a look at how you can actually translate this longer term insight into some short-term trading ideas. We're seeing that we are healthily above 58,000 in Bitcoin, that the MACD indicator is in bullish territory and the relative strength index is well above 50 at the moment. Although we had a bearish cross, this is just to indicate that we retraced some of the gains from around 59,000. So over 58,000, to me there is an opportunity to buy, with the first target at 59,000, which, as you can see, settled itself as a resistance level, and then the next resistance is at 60,000. Conversely, if we break under the 57,000, which we used to be resistance but now acts as support, we could be declining further away down to 56,000 and then to 55,000, which are the next areas of support in Bitcoin versus Tether. In addition to that, there was this insightful article showing how Polkadot bridges bring cross-chain functionality to the 35 billion network, and basically this is a longer term idea showing the potential of Polkadot to be at the heart of this Web 3.0 revolution, which is all about fully decentralized blockchains that create user-friendly web wherein the data is our own, which is very significant with all the issues we have around privacy and security. So let's take a look at some of the insights now in Polkadot versus Tether and how you can trade that insight on the actual chart. What we're looking here is the 4-hour chart, and we can see that we're in a range of indecisiveness between 35.6 and 36.3. So ideally I'd be waiting for a break above 36.3, which would coincide with an increase in the relative strength index and the MACD crossing above 0 as well, which would then give us long position with target at 37 and then next at 38. Conversely, if we break under the 35.6 support area, we could be declining on the short side to 34.5 and 33. Finally, Cardano has had quite a strong run lately, and many analysts now believe that it will hit a new all-time high of 1.5. However, based on some past data, I believe that this is rather conservative, and the high that Cardano is likely to hit is going to be higher. In my view, let's begin with the 4-hour chart. So we are just about to approach the previous all-time high around the 1.487 level. We can see that the relative strength index is in overbought territory together with very bullish MACD indicator. However, if we zoom out a little bit and take a look at the daily chart, we can see that actually we're just about to break into overbought territory on the relative strength index, and we just had a very bullish cross of the MACD indicator, the blue MACD line crossing above the red signaling line. And as we can see, some of the strongest rallies in Cardano are happening when we break outside of that critical level of 70 for the relative strength index, and then when we sustain that rally for a few days. So based on the previous predictions, the previous all-time high around 1.2, the next one around 1.5. If we break the current one around 1.5, I'm seeing Cardano rallying at least 1.8. So this is a longer term trade, initiating long positions if we're above 1.487 with target 1.8 and stop loss around 1.37. Finally, very quickly taking a look at Ethereum versus Tether, and Ethereum settled comfortably above the 1,800 support level, but personally I would be waiting for a break above 1,820 before initiating long positions with target at 1,850 and 1,885. However, if we break below the support level of 1,800, we could see further declines to 1,785 and then subsequently to 1,755. And finally, an idea in Bitcoin Cash versus Tether, which is showing some very interesting dynamics. And here we're looking at the longer term chart, the 4-hour chart. We could see that it's retesting a very strong area of support around 530. What I'm anticipating based on this more bullish setup in the MACD indicator and relative strength index reading just crossing above 50 is that we're going to rally above 566. So on this trade, your stop loss is going to be around 515. This is a longer term trade. Thank you very much for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section in the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And most importantly, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles, market summaries, and trading ideas for you daily. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in. And if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.